Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be learning about UJT relaxation oscillator. UJT relaxation oscillator is a type of RC oscillator where the active element is a UJT. UJT is an excellent switch with switching times in order of nanoseconds. It has a negative resistance region in the characteristics and can be easily employed in relaxation oscillators. The UJT relaxation oscillator is called so because the timing interval is set up by the charging of a capacitor and the timing interval is seized by the rapid discharge of the same capacitor. UJT is a unijunction transistor. It is a semiconductor device that has only one junction. The UJT has three terminals designated as B1, B2 and E. UJT as relaxation oscillator. So here is the diagram of UJT as relaxation oscillator. The circuitry of the relaxation oscillator consists of the resistors and the capacitors. The resistors acts as the limiter of the current. The capacitor tends to charge through the resistor present there, that is R. This charging of the capacitor is exponential in nature. As the diode exceeds the minimum value, the device starts conducting by making the emitter junction to be in forward biasing mode. Based on the voltage applied as input dependent, the device is managed to be turned off and on. The flow of current of the terminal emitter through the resistor, that is R1, takes place by making the capacitor to get discharged. Because the resistor R1 is of low ohmic value, the discharge value of the capacitor is lesser than that of the charging value of the capacitor. Once the voltage across the capacitor tends to decrease more than that of the time of holding the device tends to get to be turned off. So, the characteristics of UJT are as follows. It requires very low amount of voltage to get triggered. It consists of the negative value of the resistance. The cost of this resistor is very low. It is capable of controlling the current pulse. This figure shows UJT characteristics curve. As the current in the UJT tends to increase, there can be a drop in the voltage value. Hence, this transistor shows the negative characteristics of resistance. This makes the UJT to work as relaxation oscillator. The basic functional unit of this oscillator consists of resistors and the capacitors with UJT as the active unit for the oscillator. Here are some of the applications of UJT. What is the main difference between UJT and BJT? Only one junction is present in UJT. BJT consists of two junctions. It is a two-junction transistor. UJT can be used as a voltage control device and BJT can be categorized as current control device. UJT cannot be preferred for amplification. BJT can be used as amplifiers. So here we conclude our video. In this video we have seen about UJT as a relaxation oscillator, its characteristic, application of UJT and what is the difference between UJT and BJT. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video was useful.